Hello students, in this video module we are going to understand the features of supply chain management, of course supply chain management 306. So starting with the first features of supply chain management is integrated behavior. So friends, in previous video module we understand the introduction part objective, that how supply chain management and logistics works. So the great features which help to increase the quality of the organization is always depend upon the behavior in the relation of markets. So SM incorporates integration of stakeholders from suppliers to the customer. Customer is the center of any organization who provides or who serve their services in the market. So first feature is that to incorporate or to integrate of stakeholders from suppliers to the customer. The next one is mutually sharing information. In that, for effective supply chain management, mutually sharing information among the channel member is required, especially for the planning and monitoring processes. So इसका बेसिक एग्जांपल मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम Amazon पे कोई ऑर्डर प्लेस करते हैं या फिर या कोई भी एक चीज जो किसी शॉपकीपर के पास आती है, फ्रॉम मैन्युफैक्चरर टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर टू होलसेलर टू रिटेलर, उसके लिए एक बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन जो दोनों को मालूम होनी चाहिए, विच आर इन द फीचर्स ऑफ supply chain management, which is called mutually sharing information. So it will help you to increase the planning and monitoring the product expectation, the product relation, the perception of the customer related to the product, or monitoring all the supply chain activities in company to the end consumer. Then mutually sharing channel risks and rewards. Risks and rewards are the part of distribution. See, many of the time there are some certain scheme for customer. So same schemes which are offered from the manufacturing company to the a big retailer or big distributor. So which under the risks and the rewards. Risks and reward sharing is the important for long-term focus and cooperation among the supply chain members. So those if suppose any third party company is there and who have their product all over the India, so they have to always connectivity uh, with their channel members who distribute their product, who contribute the long term relationship between the customer and the manufacturer. So it is under the features of mutually sharing channel and rates. Then the next one is cooperation. Cooperation among the channel members is required for effective supply chain management. Cooperation refers to a similar or complementary coordinated activities performed by firms in businesses relationship to produce superior mutual outcome. तो इसका एक सिंपल एग्जांपल आपको मैं देना चाहूंगा कि अगर कोई एशियन पेंट्स जैसी कोई कंपनी है या फिर अमेजोन जैसी कोई कंपनी है, वो अपने लॉजिस्टिक डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के लिए अलग अलग टाइप की स्कीम्स निकालती है फॉर इफेक्टिव कनेक्टिविटी फॉर द चैनल मेंबर्स or complementary. Many of the time they will provide some rewards, some prizes for different types of activities, right, for their firms and businesses to increase the superior quality relationship फॉर म्यूचुअल आउटकम्स. तो इसको हम समझे कि मैन्युफैक्चरर को भी उसका बेनिफिट होना चाहिए, जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहा है मार्केट में, वो चाहे वो रिटेलर हो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर हो, कोई शॉप ओनर हो, राइट, और कोई सप्लायर हो. सो इट विल इंक्रीज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन ऑल दिस टर्म्स बाय यूजिंग द फीचर ऑफ कोऑपरेशन. देन द नेक्स्ट वन इज फोकस ऑन सर्विंग कस्टमर्स. तो मैंने तो आपको पहले ही बताया था कि कस्टमर इज द किंग. Supply chain succeeds if all the members of the supply chain have the same goal and the same focus of serving customers. If it will break the customer relationship, the perception about your product is in negative mode. सेम लेजर शार्प फोकस अगर सप्लाई चेन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का हो, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी का हो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का हो, होलसेलर का हो, रिटेलर का हो, those who are the member of the supply chain having a common focus while serving customers. So it is another feature of supply chain management. Integration of processes is the next one. Always try to integrate, or the implementation of supply chain management needs the integration of processes from sourcing to manufacturing and to distribution across the supply chain. So it is a very standard chain where all this term plays a vital role. If anybody or if any element from this chain get lightweighted or get disturbed, the process get reflected, and the impact of that process is directly connected to the market of that supply chain company or manufacturing company. So always integrating the process will help you, not only the manufacturer, not only the supplier, not only the distributor, across all the supply chain. So it is another very good features of SCM. Last but not the least, partners to build and maintain long-term relationship. Friends, before explaining the term, I just want to tell you a long-term relationship in logistic and supply chain management is very important. आप एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल आपको मैं यहाँ पे देना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे रोड पे व्हेन यू ट्रैवल somewhere, तो many of the companies who having logistic containers are having a very good relationship to the logistic company. So come to the point, successful relationship aim to integrate channel policy to avoid redundancy and overlap while seeking a level of cooperation that allows participants to be more effective at lower cost levels policy. तो आपके साथ किसी मैन्युफैक्चरर कंपनी के साथ कोई कंटेनरशिप कोई कंपनी है, थर्ड पार्टी लॉजिस्टिक है, थर्ड पार्टी सप्लायर है, या थर्ड पार्टी कोई सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट कंपनी है, वो कनेक्ट हुई है, तो आपको उनके साथ एक लॉन्ग टर्म रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करने के लिए आपके पास एक अच्छा सा पॉलिसी होना बहुत जरूरी है, विच विल हेल्प यू टू इंटीग्रेट. अगर आपके ऊपर उनका ट्रस्ट आ गया, उनका आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट आ गया, दे विल ऑलवेज वर्क विथ यू with lower cost or with minimum cost which is affordable not only for the manufacturer but also supplier or but also a logistic company. So it is all about the quality features about supply chain management. इसको अगर अच्छे तरीके से हम डिटेल में जाएंगे, it is the important part of your examination. So you a detailed procedure will be understand in the features of supply chain management. In next video module, we will cover the next element of this supply chain management course. Up to then, thank you.